Welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have Medusas makeup beauty subscription to go over with you. Now, I was just made aware that they have changed their prices. So it used to be $18.99 a month. Now it's $24.99 or $23.99, one of the two. I'll be posting it down below for the accurate price. But either way, the price did go up on the beauty subscription. They do promise 5 full-size items. At least that's what I was under the impression of, except for last month. It didn't seem to be the case. I had a little bit of issues with them, so they're supposed to be putting in a bonus item inside of my bag to kind of like fix things between us. So we'll see how that goes. Also, I do work with Medusas Makeup. If you're interested in the beauty subscription or any of their products on their website, I do have a coupon code link down below in the description for the video. So this is the bag. They put a little sticker on the front with a bonus item. So they said this month would be a lot stronger. So let's see. They always put, okay, we got some flyers in here. Honestly, I don't really pay much attention to the flyers. I just toss them in the trash. But I do pay attention to this. This is their card that they have, the theme of the month, and then also they have the product description on the back with the prices listed in there. It looks like this month's bag is valued at $73. So let's see what they put inside for us. Okay, so far I'm seeing some fun little stickers in here, which I will probably give to my daughter. I hope this wasn't my bonus item. I'm just kidding. Surely it wasn't. Okay, and we're going to go over everything in the box first, and then we're going to go over the bonus item and see. First up, they put this bag, which I would say is a bonus item. However, I did see spoilers from Sub Box Lover, and she also did get this bag, so I'm not sure. It's not included in there, but I know it is considered a separate item, so we're just going to go with it and say that's one of the things they gave me. And then, okay, so I had to peek in there. First thing that I'm pulling out of the bag is from Seraphine Botanicals, which I absolutely love their brand. Forgot to mention that Medusas Makeup is a vegan cruelty-free beauty subscription. And let's see, it's a sugarcane lip drops, leave-on lip exfoliator and primer. I don't own anything like this, so this makes me super excited that I have this. Let's go ahead and open it out of the packaging and see what it looks like. Oh, how cute. It's a pink like serum, and it has like little bubbles in it. It's so cute. It looks almost like reddish on the camera, but it's like a hot pink in person. Let's see. This is valued at $21. So even with them upping the prices, at least with this in particular product here, almost pays for the entire bag. And next up is a pair of tweezers. You can never have too many of these. They always seem to go missing, and they are super cute. They're exclusive Medusas Makeup tweezers. So let's see. These are valued at $12. Okay, and these are the tweezers here, and it has the angled point on the end. Super cute. And then next up we have one of their, oops, this looks open, but that's okay because they always come sealed. So this is Medusas Makeup Eye Dust. And this one's in the shade Ophelia. Okay, this shade looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to get a swatch of it. It almost looks like, it says it's an eye dust, but it almost looks like a glitter to me. It's really pretty. So I'm excited to try this out. And another cool thing about these little containers, you can actually screw off the lids. And if you get another one, you can stack them on top of each other, and it makes for really good storage. The eye dust is valued at $14. And next up, we got a tropical eyeshadow in the shade Bermuda for $12. I'm going to check real quick. I may already have this shade. If I do, we're going to be putting this in a future giveaways. Yes, I actually already have this shade, so I'm going to swatch the one that I have of my own. And it's very silky feeling on the finger. And this is the color here. It's like a gray color. Can make some really cute smoky looks with it, and be a perfect opportunity for someone to try it out. So I will be putting this one in a giveaway, but this one is valued at $12. I think I picked this up on clearance a while ago, but sometimes I put stuff in clearance and then take it back out again. But that tropical collection, I pretty much own almost all of the colors, so I knew I'd probably have that one. Okay, and next up we have is the last item is a liquid matte lipstick, and this is valued at $14. It's in the shade Bang. This color actually is really pretty and looks like it could work for just about anyone. This is a pink color. Has a basic doe foot applicator. That is so pretty. I am in love with this color. That is a nice looking lipstick there. And it looks like the bonus items that they included, which actually I'm quite happy with. If you want to consider the bag a bonus item, we can do that. But I also got a little sample of Collagen Beauty. It's a clear skin hydrator, and it's in this flavor citrus. It's always like Chinese, and I think after a certain age your body doesn't produce collagen anymore, so you're supposed to ingest it. So that is always good to have. And then it looks like they threw in a Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the shade Roller Girl. So that was super nice of them. And I don't know if I'm going to open this. I may or may not keep this because I might be putting this in a giveaway, and it's sealed on both ends. So I'll just show you what it looks like. It's just like a pink sparkly lip gloss there. So yeah, I definitely think they did a lot better this month than the previous month, and I feel like they did a good job making it up to me and making me feel more happy with their subscription. So that's everything I have for this in particular video. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.